Now see question number second. Find a real value of theta for which 4 plus 3i upon sin theta upon 1 minus 2i sin theta is purely real. So we have to simplify this bracket first. That means we have to write this in the form of a plus ib. So we first write the given value, that is 4 plus 3i upon sin theta upon 1 minus 2i sin theta. Now we have to simplify this. For that we have to take conjugate of denominator. So we first write conjugate of denominator. So here 1 minus 2i sin theta. So its conjugate is 1 plus 2i sin theta. So we multiply and divide by 1 plus 2i sin theta. So we write numerator with numerator. So we write numerator both terms in bracket and denominator both terms in bracket. So first we multiply the numerator. So we write 4 into 1 plus 2i sin theta. So we write 4 into 1 plus 2i sin theta. Then we multiply by 3i sin theta to 1 plus 2i sin theta. So we write 3i into sin theta into 1 plus 2i sin theta. So in denominator we use the form a minus b, a plus b. So we write here 1 square minus 2i sin theta its square. Then we multiply by 4 to this first bracket. So 4 into 1 we get 4. 4 into 2 we get 8. So we write 8i sin theta. Then we multiply by 3i sin theta to 1. We get 3i sin theta. Then we multiply by 3i sin theta to 2i sin theta. So 3 into 2 we get 6. I into I we get I square. And sin theta into sin theta we write sin theta its bracket square. Denominator we keep as it is. Now we replace the value of this I square by minus 1. So we get plus minus minus. So we write minus 6 sin theta bracket square as sin square theta. And we add 8i sin theta plus 3i sin theta. So 8i plus 3i we get 11i sin theta. These 4 as it is. Now we collect the real and imaginary part. Here 4 and minus 6 sin square theta is a real part and 11i sin theta is imaginary part. So we collect first real and imaginary part. So we write here 4 minus 6 sin square theta and this 11i sin theta. So we separate the base. So we write here after taking base separately a real and imaginary part. So here when we divide by 1 plus 4 sin square theta to first term, so this is a real part and imaginary part we represent by yellow color. So see the question first. Find a real value of theta for which this given complex number is purely real. Now we know that when imaginary part is 0, then that complex number is purely real number. So this imaginary part must be equals to 0, then we get purely real number. So we take this imaginary part as 0. So we write here since z is purely real, imaginary of z equals to 0. That means this 11 sin theta upon 1 plus 4 sin square theta must be equals to 0. So we equate this with 0 because we required number as purely real. So from this we know that when numerator is 0, 0 upon any number is 0. So here we can write this 11 sin theta equals to 0. Or you can transfer this 1 plus 4 sin square theta to right hand side. So after multiplying with 0 we get 0. We know that 11 is not 0. That means sin theta must be equals to 0. And we know the condition sin 0 is 0, sin pi is 0, that means sin 180 is 0. Then after completing the one round, that is sin 360 is 0. So from this we write one general formula, theta equals to n pi equals to 0, n belongs to z. So this will we discuss in trigonometric function chapter, how to write the general solution. So you just remember for sin theta equals to 0, general solution is theta equals to n pi, n belongs to z. So from this we find the real value of theta. So real value of theta is theta equals to n pi, n belongs to z. Now see next question. If z equals to 3 plus 5y, then represent the z bar minus z bar in Organs diagram. This z bar means conjugate of z, minus z means we have to take negative of this z, and minus of z bar, that means we have to take negative of this conjugate z bar. So we represent these numbers in order pair, and that order pair we represent on graph, and that representation is Organs diagram. So first we write the values from the given value. So given number is z equals to 3 plus 5y, which is complex number. So we write in order pair as 3 5. So this is first point. Now we write second point, that is conjugate of this z. So write the conjugate of z. We change the sign of imaginary part. So imaginary part is plus 5y. So we write here conjugate of z as 3 minus 5y. So from this conjugate we write the order pair, that is 3 minus 5. So we first represent z as point A, this conjugate z bar as B. So we next find minus z. Minus z means we have to change the sign of this z, that means we get minus 3 minus 5y. So we write the minus z as changing the sign. So we get minus 3 minus 5y. Now from this we write the point as C of minus 3 minus 5. Then next we have to find negative of conjugate of z. Conjugate of z is 3 minus 5y. So we have to change both the term sign. So we get minus 3 minus minus plus 5. So we see how we get. So we write minus z bar as minus 3 into, substitute the value of z bar as 3 minus 5. Now multiply by minus 3. So we get minus 3 minus minus plus 5y. So from this we write the order pair as minus 3 plus 5. So we represent this as point D. Now we have to represent all these points, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, on graph, and that representation is Organs diagram. So first we draw here graph. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. So first we plot point A. The coordinate point A has sign plus plus, so this point 3 5 must lie in first quadrant. So coordinates are 3 5. So we take 3 on x-axis and 5 on y-axis. So see how to plot a point. So this point 3 5, we take 3 on x-axis, 5 on y-axis. So we write here. So this is a representation of point Z, that is representation of point A of 3 5. Now we have to find conjugate, that is 3 minus 5y. We write in order pair as 3 minus 5. Similarly we plot a point B with coordinate 3 minus 5. So coordinate of point B are 3 minus 5. So we take distance 3 on x-axis and distance 5 on negative y-axis. So in this way we plot point B. Now this we get inverted image. Then we next find the coordinate of point C. Coordinate of point C are minus 3 plus 5. So we take minus 3 distance on x-axis and this plus 5 distance on y-axis. Similarly we plot point D, and coordinate of point D are minus 3 plus 5. So we take here minus 3 on negative x-axis and minus 5 on negative y-axis. So from this we get Organs diagram, and this representation of complex number on graph with the help of order pair or with the help of point. So you can find the organs diagram, you can plot the graph with the help of this coordinate.